First of all, he has to show and take action against the deputy secretary, immediately put under suspension. Immediately, I want that deputy secretary under suspension.
Let me start by
Your officer has come.
yes, I echo the concern of the honorable.
So, first of all, court would be thankful to him for gracing the function.
He should have been here. I have taken.
So, what was the occasion? First of all, keep it with you. What was the occasion? I'll take it thereafter. What was the occasion for him not to come and send some affidavit with some deputy secretary? When has he read over the matter? Did he go through the order that passed?
I am instructed that although it was communicated to him on 8th of July, I have the letter before me. That letter was not brought to his attention by his concerned deputy secretary right up to today afternoon at 12 o'clock. Immediately on the honorable court flagging the issue.
So that is internally. So he will take action against his deputy secretary. I am referring him to a contempt bench. It is his concern, whatever he is to do with this deputy secretary. Ask him to issue show cause notice immediately to deputy secretary.
Yes, sir. Lordship may have the matter at 5 p.m. or tomorrow, whenever Lordship.
First of all, he has to show and take action against the deputy secretary, immediately put under suspension. Immediately, I want that deputy secretary under suspension.
Can I make one?
To prove your bona fide, show this first.
Can I make a small request?
Yes.
Although there cannot be any way of offering explanation or justification in such matters, officers should. Therefore, I start.
5 years, 5 pages long order I have passed with the purpose.
I echo the concern. It has been brought to my attention.
The petition was concerning about non-compliance of a already order passed way back in 2019.
I only wish to make one respectful submission. Only one, sir.
And even if I call upon, he doesn't come.
On 13th of July, the compliance was done. Actually, with the compliance affidavit and the secretary being present at 11, the issue would have been resolved. I have a small request to be made. We will do what the honorable court indicates. In fact, that is what I indicated during the lunch break when matter came to my attention. My only request to your Honor, for this lacuna or lapse, my prayer is that the career of the deputy secretary may not be subjected to any tarnishing. I request the court to take a lenient view in the matter.
Mr. Virk.
I can only request. My lord, I will not make this request for the second time. If it does
because I am not going to take a liberal approach towards your principal secretary. That is for sure. If he wants to take action against his subordinate officer, it is open for him. And if he wants to show charity, show charity. I am not here to show any charity to anybody. Yes.
Because the compliance was done way back on 13.
So nice of you. How many years thereafter? How many years after?
Compliance is done today.
No, 13 July.
It was done yesterday.
13 July 2026.
It was done yesterday.
Tell me, Mr. Virk, when the compliance was done?
13 July.
Of which order? Let the people here to understand. Of which year order?
There is no justification.
Of which year order?
It is an order that was passed long ago.
Date 18/10/2022.
I bow down.
In such a serious matter, when the High Court calls upon him, he doesn't have any.
He was informed of this order being passed only at around 12:15 today.
So then, in that event, his department and all subordinate officers who is dealing with these legal matters should be punished.
My request
because the order was calling upon him to answer why the contempt should not be initiated. That was the order.
I am not requesting the honorable court to close that issue. We must answer that on affidavit with an apology, which we have done.
Whatever the affidavit you want to file, file it. Whatever the action you want to take it and show me by the Friday.
Can I request Monday?
Why Monday? For that also you need time.
No.
How much? 4 years then?
Till Monday, for the simple reason that let there be a thought out way on who was responsible and let action be taken. No doubt. If the secretary cannot be informed of the Honorable High Court's order, despite the fact that the Government Law Officer's Office communicates it in writing on the very next day, it is a secret. I do not deny it. This issue would not have flared up had the secretary remained present at 11 a.m. We know the practice of this honorable court.
Normally, I call only by way of online.
My lords, we know the practice of the honorable court that this is the first time I am seeing an officer being called physically. I know why, because it took 4 years to comply.
Yes.
We know the other practice of the honorable court that when a senior officer is called, lordships are kind enough to take the matter at 11 a.m. so that by 11:05 a.m. the officer is relieved. I am grateful to the honorable court for that. I am only requesting that there is a dereliction of bringing this to the knowledge of the principal secretary. In that dereliction, my lords, the career of an officer would be lost. I
I
am
don't
praying
know.
your lordships to take a lenient view in the matter, therefore. The deputy secretary, on being
So what,
suspended
all
for
right,
this day,
all right, then what steps have you taken for that uncomplied order for 4 years?
therefore I am saying, please have it on Monday.
No, what steps today have you taken for that uncomplied orders for 4 years?
My lords,
Whether that order was complied with?
immediately the compliance was effected on 13th.
What is the compliance in nature?
Well, the effect of the order of the honorable court has been given in totality, my lords. Lordships,
Where is that order?
please, it is with the affidavit.
What does it say?
Well,
Any rider included?
no rider is.